speak English better, make your offers perfect. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another episode of Speak English Better. Today, we're going to focus on making offers using the phrase, "Would you like?" This simple but powerful phrase can make your English conversations smoother and more polite. So, let's dive in. Would you like is a polite way to make an offer or invitation. It can be followed by a noun or a verb in the ing form. For example, you can say, "Would you like a cup of coffee?" or "Would you like to go to the park?" It's an excellent phrase to make someone feel comfortable and welcome. Now, let's look at some examples of "would you like" in different scenarios. 1. In a restaurant. 2. Would you like some more water? 3. Would you like to try our special dessert today? 4. At work. 5. Would you like me to print these documents for you? 6. Would you like to join us for a brainstorming session? 7. At home. 8. Would you like to watch a movie tonight? 9. Would you like a cup of tea? Remember, the phrase, "would you like," can be shortened in informal settings to, "do you like," or, "you'd like." Now, let's move on to our speaking practice with role plays. Role play scenarios are an excellent way to practice using, "Would you like," 1. At the supermarket, pretend you're a store employee, and another person is a customer. You can offer help, such as, "Would you like me to help you find something?" 2. In a classroom, pretend you're a teacher, and another person is a student. You can offer extra help or materials. "Would you like to review these notes before the test?" 3. At a party, pretend you're the host, and another person is a guest. You can offer food, drinks, or activities. "Would you like to join us for a game?" There you have it. Now, you're well equipped to make offers in English using the phrase, "Would you like?" Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using this phrase in your daily conversations and role plays. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning adventure. Happy learning!